Okay.
Smell that thing.
Damn! God!
All right, Mike, if you're gonna eat, you gotta come right here.
Don't even get near me after you eat this. I'll smack you with this stick
I got light over there now.
inside the fucking head.
Hey, Tony. Pumbaa.
No, he has to come up here so my iPod can see him.
You can get closer.
The lights hit me. Have to go cut the van lights on.
So let me sit down. This is not for the faint of heart.
Dippy, cut the back music up.
I'm not watching.
I'm about to go in the house. I'll fix some stuff.
Put the lights back on.
They go to dump. There we go.
Hurry up.
I got a cigarette. I need
He
a
ain't gonna
Xanax
borrow.
too.
He is not gonna use that.
Open your mouth. Okay, come over here. Come over here.
Chew it up.
Come here.
Chew it up.
Do you taste it?
Open your mouth and put the fucking light. Okay, open it.
Chew that shit
I
up.
want to hear it crunch.
He's eating a fucking bug. Okay.
Chew
Turn
it
around
up.
so they can see you.
Chew it up. Eat like.
That's disgusting.
Put that on fucking YouTube.
Alright, swallow it. And I gotta see it in your mouth, and make sure you swallow it.
Oh my god.
Tony, what the fuck is your problem?
Look at you. Oh my gosh. That's what you get from a New Yorker. Is it good?
Everybody's throwing that out.
Oh
Alright, Mike, let me see in your mouth.
All right, next you're licking the dog's balls.
You got a fucking puke?
Ooh, he's still chewing that thing like bubble gum, man. Hey, when you adopt another kid? This is awesome. You want something to drink? He's just sitting there
You
chewing
need
it.
something to drink to wash it down?
Just a beer.
Here, drink that.
Jugs, Robert.
Drink it.
It looks a little white now. Come me out. Come me out.
Oh my god, I still smell that fucking bug.
Imagine his breath. You need to brush your gums tonight.
Okay, let me see so I can make sure you fucking swallow the bug. Hurry up, finish chewing.
Disgusting.
Did y'all hear it crunch?
Yeah.
What?
Hurry up, this video's almost 3 fucking minutes.
Oh, we got another one cooking. You gonna eat it again?
You just like come out here and fucking pick bugs off that motherfucker and eat
Alright, let me see in your fucking mouth. Tongue, lift your tongue up.
Don't need
Oh,
teeth to enjoy beetles.
okay.